Hey there, science fans. Today we're diving into the exciting world of artificial intelligence, or AI for short. AI is changing the way we live, work, and play. From self-driving cars to smartphones that recognize our faces, AI is everywhere. AI is powered by something called algorithms. These algorithms are like special sets of instructions that help computers learn and make decisions, just like our brains. AI is used in so many things we rely on every day. It helps doctors diagnose diseases, recommends movies we might enjoy, and even helps us navigate traffic. So buckle up as we explore the fascinating world of AI algorithms and discover how they're shaping our future. Imagine a chef baking a cake. They follow a recipe, right? Well, AI algorithms are like recipes for computers. They tell the computer what steps to take to solve a problem or complete a task. These instructions are written in a language computers understand, like Python or Java. Just like a recipe lists ingredients and baking times, AI algorithms use data and mathematical calculations to teach computers. The more data we feed an AI algorithm, the better it gets at its job, just like a chef who practices a recipe many times. The algorithm learns from the data and improves its performance over time. So, AI algorithms are like clever recipes that help computers learn and make smart decisions. Did you know there are different ways AI algorithms learn? It's like how we learn in different ways. There are three main types: supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning. Supervised learning is like learning with a teacher. We give the algorithm labeled data, like pictures of cats and dogs. The algorithm learns to identify them. Unsupervised learning is like figuring things out without a teacher. We give the algorithm unlabeled data, and it finds patterns, like clustering customers with similar shopping habits. Reinforcement learning is like learning from trial and error. The algorithm learns by receiving rewards for good actions and penalties for bad ones. Each type of learning is useful for different tasks, making AI incredibly versatile. Section 4. How AI algorithms do their thing. Now let's break down how AI algorithms work. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Step 1. Input data. First, we feed the algorithm data, like pictures or text. This is like giving the computer ingredients for a recipe. Step 2. Training the model. The algorithm uses data to train a model, like baking a cake. It learns patterns like a chef with ingredients. Step 3. Making predictions. Once trained, it makes predictions on new data. For example, it can identify a cat or recommend a movie. That's it. Input data, train the model, make predictions. It's like magic, but it's really just clever math and computer science. Section 5. AI in our daily lives. AI algorithms are already making our lives easier and more exciting in countless ways. In healthcare, AI helps doctors diagnose diseases earlier and develop new treatments. Imagine AI algorithms analyzing medical images to detect cancer cells with incredible accuracy. In finance, AI powers fraud detection systems, personalizes financial advice, and even helps us make investment decisions. It's like having a personal financial advisor in your pocket. And of course, AI is revolutionizing entertainment. From recommending movies and music to creating realistic video game characters, AI is making our leisure time more enjoyable than ever. These are just a few examples of how AI is transforming our world. The possibilities are truly endless. Section 6. Ready, set, learn AI. Are you excited about AI and want to learn more? Great. It's easier than you think to get started. First, check out online courses and resources. There are many beginner-friendly options available, like Code Academy, Khan Academy, and Coursera. They offer interactive lessons and projects to help you grasp the basics. Next, start learning a programming language like Python. Python is a popular choice for AI because it's easy to learn and has a vast collection of libraries specifically designed for AI development. Finally, experiment with AI tools and platforms. Platforms like Google AI Platform and Microsoft Azure provide pre-built models and tools that make it easy to build and deploy your own AI applications. Remember, learning AI is a journey, and it's okay to start small. The most important thing is to be curious, explore, and have fun. Section 7. The future is AI-powered. As we've learned, AI algorithms are powerful tools that are changing the world around us. They're helping us solve complex problems, automate tasks, and create amazing new technologies. By understanding how AI algorithms work, we can unlock incredible possibilities for the future. Imagine a world with personalized medicine, self-driving cars that eliminate accidents, and robots that assist us in our daily lives. So, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep imagining. The future of AI is in your hands, and it's going to be amazing. Stay curious.